in this video, I'm going to help you guys to design and decide your profile photo. So guys, one by one, we will see how to design everything. But let us just start with profile photo because it is the thing that comes first. So let us start with profile photos. I'll tell you on which account, what type of profile photos you should select, as well as I'll give you some of the guidelines that you should always keep in mind, because all these small things that make a huge difference and actually matters. So let us start. Firstly, which account, what type of photo you should keep. So starting with our three types of account we have, that is personal, business and niched. Firstly, personal account. For a personal account, you should always keep a face photo. Means up to your shoulders where your face is in center. Okay. So always keep that in mind whenever you're putting a personal photo, whenever you're putting for a personal account, you're putting your personal photo, you should always take care that it should be only your photo. Your full length photo, no, till your waist, it's just not okay, because to be more professional, a personal photo is where people can exactly understand that this is this person. It should be only the face, where, because in a profile photo there is not too much of space that your whole the whole you are going to be seen very nicely over there. So it is the best way to only add your face over there, to only put your face as your personal photo. Then coming to, you don't want to keep your face, then you can edit your face. You can give it a cartoonish way, a Google, all those goggles you can give, sunglasses and the hearts and all of those things. You can edit with it. You can give it a black and white, a pencil shading photo. All those things you can edit it. No doubt you can just do it. But it should be recognized by people. You should not edit it so much that people don't even recognize who is this. No, that should not be the case. So whenever you're adding such things or you're editing such things, just take care that your people, your audience recognize you. Now comes to the second type, that is business account. Always for a business account, to be professional, add your logo. If you have a business logo, you should always add your business logo, because your logo is your identity. I always say you this thing, because your brand logo, your business logo is your business identity. As our face is our identity, as well as logo is the identity of our business. So you should always take care that you add your business logo. But what if you don't have a logo? Then just don't worry guys, I'll tell a solution to it also. You can just add your name there. That is, go on to CANVA, or you can just edit your name. You just add the initial of your brand name, or you can write the whole brand name and edit it in such a good way and just add it as a picture over there. So your problem is just solved in minutes. Firstly, you can add business logo, or you can make your name as your logo in case of logo. Now coming to niched account. Now what are you going to do here? That is, firstly, pictures related to you. Only your, what your page is all about. You're going to add it there. But if not so, then you're going to put something like the earlier case, that is name of your page. You can just edit it and add it there. So these are the ways that you're going to actually add your profile photo. Now see, again I'll repeat it for once, okay, for a better understanding. For personal account, face, or you can edit it. Business account, business logo or name, edited. Niched account, you can add related or name. Now coming to the guidelines part, that is very much important. Firstly, same photo on all the platforms, because again this is your identity. So whichever social media, social accounts you have, on whichever platform may it be, you should have the same profile photo everywhere. May it be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, anything. You should have the same profile photo on every platform you are on. Now coming to the second thing. Have you seen profile photo? It is in a round circle. So you should select such photos that should exactly come into the center of that round, as well as when it is cropped into a round, when it is cut into a circle, your photo shouldn't get affected. If you are putting a square photo, then it's very good. Your ends are going to be cut it out. It looks good. It is a great thing. So you should always take care that whenever you are adding a profile photo, it is going to come in round shape, that is in a circle. So the things are which will actually look good over there, you're going to add there. See, for example, you don't have a business logo, you're adding your name. It is too big. And if it gets cuts into a circle, then half of the thing will be gone. So first try it in a circle, how is it going to look? Then add it as a profile photo. Now coming on to which size of photo you should add. 180 by 180. You're going to add your profile photo as 180 by 180 pixel size photo, because this is very much clear and this gets better in all other cases also. I'll explain you how. See, when you see your profile photo, when you add it, it is 180 by 180 pixel on computer. When it comes to mobile, it is 110 by 110 pixel. And when you're commenting or you're messaging, then it comes to 40 by 40 pixels. So when you're choosing 180 by 180 pixels, it has the best image picture resolution capacity. It has the highest resolution. So always do take care that you will choose 180 by 180 pixel size photo. And the next thing that you should always take care of, whatever you were putting, the main article should pop up, not your background. So always keep a clean background. If you're putting the business logo, put a white background. Don't put too harsh background. Don't put something in background. Don't put some image in background. Then your background is going to pop up, not your logo or not your face. So always keep a plain background. That is very much important. And always take care that your face or your logo should come in center, exact center. Not a little to left, not a little to right, not a little up, not a little down. So always do take care of that thing, that it comes in center. It is same at every social media platform. It is 180 by 180 pixel size. It has a very much clean background. So these are all things that you're going to take care when you're designing and deciding your profile photo. And according to these guidelines and according to your account, you're going to decide a profile photo for your Instagram account right now. So just do it, guys.